Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable text message notification on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. After click on notification, click on app notification. After click on app notification, you will see if you want to enable text message notification. So you will see scroll down and search text messages here. If you want to enable text message notifications, turn on this button. After turn on this button, text message notification is enabled. After enable text message notification, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable text message notification on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.